Let's see how to make pongal in first method. Now add 1 cup of rice, 1 by 4 cup of moong dal, 2 to 3 spoons of Bengal gram dal, 4 and a half cup of water, add few crystals of salt and boil it well. Add 1 cup of jaggery as per the sweetness you require. Either reduce it or take more amount than it. Mix it all together very well. Add 3 spoons of sugar powder and little amount of elaichi powder for flavor. Add 1 by 4 cup of milk and mix it again. Now in a small bowl add ghee, dry coconut, raisins, cashews and fry it well. After those dry nuts are roasted, transfer this into the sweet pongal and mix it once. Now this is ready to serve after mixing it. Now let's prepare sweet pongal in second method. Add 1 cup of rice, 2 spoons of Bengal gram dal, 3 glasses of water, few crystals of salt and boil it well. Add 1 cup of jaggery and adjust the sweetness as you need. Add 3 spoons of sugar powder and some elaichi powder. We added some extra jaggery here to adjust the sweetness. Add 1 by 4 cup of milk and mix it again. Now again in a small bowl add ghee and fry dry grapes, dry coconut and cashews. Now transfer these into the sweet pongal. Now add ghee for better taste. Now this is ready to serve.